In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in your Kia Rondo key fob. If you have a Rondo that was made between 2007 and 2010, this is most likely the device that you have. All you will need to change the battery is one new CR2032 battery and a flathead screwdriver. The first step is to look at the top of the device. You can see there's an indentation between the two pieces of plastic. You're going to take a flathead screwdriver or perhaps a coin, anything that can fit in here, so that you can twist it to crack open the two halves of this device. Now just pull it apart with your fingers, set this to the side, and from here we're going to push the battery up out of this metal component there. Take a new 2032 battery and make sure this positive side stays face up and slide it into place until it doesn't move anymore and it's nice and secure. And all we need to do now is click the back into place and we are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section or by giving us a like. And if you ever need to change another battery in your key fob for any maker model, you can watch our other videos here on YouTube or check us out at fobbattery.com.